Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to assemble the 12 unit Twice-as-Big Sonobe. First of all, let's look at one of the units. It's in three parts. I have a coloured triangle on the left, coloured triangle on the right, and a square, a white square that's in the middle. This square has pockets, so one pocket here on the right and another on the left, and we're going to use these pockets to lock everything together. So, how do we start? Start holding one unit in one hand, they're top to bottom. Take a second unit and hold it in your right hand and feed the corner of the coloured triangle underneath this small white triangle, and it will go all the way in and lock very nicely together. Now we need to lock 3 units together to make a pyramid. We already have 2, so let's turn it round. And in the same way, we hold one unit there vertically, top to bottom, and we can feed in a third unit so the triangle goes under the edge and inside the pocket. Now we've trapped this coloured triangle here underneath. It shouldn't be there. We have to pull it out and then carefully just open a little bit and slide the corner of the triangle inside, and when we've finished, we've made a pyramid, and the pyramid is in 6 parts: colour white, colour white, colour white, and it has 3 sides around the bottom. To continue, we need to make 4 pyramids meet at every corner, and there's a total of 8 pyramids when we've finished. Okay, so we've already put one coloured triangle into this unit from the bottom. Let's put one in from the top. So in the same way, this goes in from the top, and that now means that the white square is in 4 parts: colour white, and this is used all the way around. Again, finish the pyramid, same way as before. Take a third piece for the pyramid, lock it under the edge, push it all the way in. This piece, if it's not trapped underneath, pull it to the top, and then carefully, without exploding everything, tuck it inside, and it will hold tight. So we now have 2 pyramids meeting at this corner. We need a third and a fourth. Let's continue in the same way. Here's a triangle that's coloured, so we need one on the opposite side of the square. Put in another unit. Close the triangle. So again, we can put a unit in at the side here. See, it's coming apart a bit, but you just carry on. You don't try to keep it too tidy. Just keep pushing it back in when it loosens too much. And we now have 1, 2, 3 pyramids. Now we don't make another pyramid. What we do is we lock this part on the left into this loose part on the right. So this triangle will have to go underneath this edge here. And as we do that, it closes this corner in the middle of the structure, and in it goes, in it goes. It's a little bit loose and floppy, but just persevere. And you'll find now that you've got 4 pyramids meeting at this corner, and that's exactly what we need, except this pyramid is not quite finished. So we can put another unit in here and then just lock the pyramid by putting the triangle into the pocket. Okay, now this pattern of 4 pyramids meeting at a corner, we continue around all the structure. So let's go to this corner. We already have 2 pyramids, 1 and 2. So we need to make 2 more. Continue in the same way. Put this in from the top, and then finish this third pyramid by feeding in another unit. In it goes, in it goes, in you go. Go on, sliding around a bit. Yes, I have a little fold there that's making a ridge. Yes, okay. In it goes, and in the same way as before, we now have 3 complete pyramids. We don't make a 4th complete pyramid. We feed this loose triangle into the first pyramid here in my right hand, and that makes 2/3 of the pyramid, and we can now complete this fourth pyramid at the second corner. Now when we've done that, there's just the one unit left, isn't there? So where does it go? It looks like it's half finished rather than nearly finished. Well, we have to just keep looking around to finish four pyramids meeting at every corner. Okay, let's look at this corner. 1 pyramid, 2 pyramids, 3 pyramids. We have to close this to make 4 pyramids. And then that's it, in it goes. Okay, it's quite floppy. You can see that everything is moving around. This is completely normal. You just have to keep tidying it. If it's a little bit loose, that doesn't matter too much. And in the end, you can tidy everything and it's fine. Okay, so we have to put this triangle in here. And now this is coming through. 4 pyramids at every corner. 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th pyramid that we have to make. Goes underneath. And there we go, just to finish it. And now this triangle will fold across into this pocket, and we still have a couple more to do after that. Make sure that you keep all the points outside. Don't lock them or trap them inside, because they're difficult to pull out, and as you try and pull them out you might break the structure into pieces. So here we go, this has to go into there, and there's one more coming in here. It's pretty obvious where these last ones go, and I think this is the final one. Yeah, final piece going in, and then you can just move everything around to tidy it, and it'll become stronger the tidier it becomes. And this is in here, yeah, it goes there. Just look at every corner, every pyramid, and check that everything is neat and tidy. And there's a point when it suddenly feels tight and strong, and that means that you finished. And there we are, the Twice-as-Big Sonobe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.